Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about one of the best belay devices on the market, in my humble opinion, and that is the GriGri Plus by Petzl. Alright guys, so if you're a fan of the outdoors, whether it's rock climbing, backpacking, mountaineering, camping, whatever it may be, you're definitely going to want to subscribe to this channel, and I recommend that you do, because we post how-to videos, gear reviews, trip overviews, things like that, anything that you could possibly need as far as information for the outside goes. And so, like I said before, if you're a fan of the outdoors, definitely hit the subscribe button because you will not be sorry. What's going on, guys? Trevor Long here for Sawback Gear, and today we're going to be talking about the Petzl GriGri Plus belay device. This is one of the best belay devices that I've ever had the pleasure of working with. I think Petzl did a really good job on this iteration of the GriGri, and I'm going to tell you why I think that. First of all, I'll tell you the main reason that we decided to go with this model over the original GriGri or the GriGri 2 is that it has this adjustable camming action. So you can switch it between top roping and lead climbing. And it adjusts the tension on the cam so it can make it easier or harder to pay out slack depending on what kind of climbing you're doing. And this is really convenient for people who are new to belaying with the GriGri because it can make it significantly easier for them to learn how to belay in their specific type of climbing. But it's even helpful for people who've been belaying for years like us because, you know, it just makes it smoother and easier to pay out slack when you're trying to do, you know, pretty technical wall routes and you need to pull some slack out really quick. It lets your belayer pull out slack pretty easily without accidentally camming the GriGri. One thing that I also like is that it has a feature to lock the cam in a specific place, so that way you don't actually accidentally keep switching back and forth, or if somebody is belaying for you that, you know, is probably not a technical genius, it can help them, it can help you stay pretty comfortable that it's probably going to stay locked in place. One of the other features that I really like about this model is that it comes with reinforced wear plates on the belay device, so that way it can protect against friction coming from the rope, but also against, like, if you get some grains of sand in there that would normally wear away at the metal of the device. The reinforced wear plates really help the longevity of the belay device and, you know, protect your investment because it's not an inexpensive piece of equipment. When we bought it, it was about $150, $160-ish, so it's definitely an investment, but I think it's worth it, and it's gonna last you a while because it's got reinforced plates and stuff like that. It's not gonna go out of town anytime soon. That's not an expression, whatever. The device is incredibly light, much lighter than some of the previous GriGri models. It weighs only 7.2 ounces, which is really nice, especially if you're going to be hiking with it to your climbing location. One of the other features that I really like about it is that the release lever has an anti-panic feature, so if you pull it too far back, let's say you're pulling it back and your climber starts going down too quickly and you panic and just keep pulling, it'll actually lock it in place instead of just letting the cam go completely and letting your climber deck on the ground, which is ill-advised. So that's another reason why this device is a really good device to use for people who are just learning how to belay, because it's got a lot of safety features, and, you know, newcomers need those safety features. Plus, it comes with all the safety features that the regular GriGri has, such as, you know, like assisted camming action and controlled descent. Just a couple technical specifications. The device is compatible for rope sizes 8.5 to 11 millimeters in diameter, but it's optimized for rope sizes that are 8.9 to 10.5 millimeters in diameter, which pretty much covers all your basic sizes of ropes, with the exception of some really thin half and twin ropes, but most single rope sizes, if not all, fall in that category. So this really is a versatile device, and it can pretty much cover any rope that you throw at it. Finally, one last thing is that I just want to mention that this is actually a really smooth belay device. I've tried many different assisted locking belay devices, and the lowering and the paying out of slack vary widely from model to model. This one right here, though, I found that both paying out slack and lowering is actually very easy and convenient to do, and you don't have to think about it much, which lets you focus on your climber and make sure that the climber gets the slack that they need and also that they don't die. So I definitely recommend you guys check out this model. Yes, it's a little bit of an investment, but I think it's an investment that's worth your time and money because it can make your climbing experience significantly safer, easier, more fun, and what else could you ask for? So if you guys are looking for a new belay device or something to use in the gym or in the crag, I definitely recommend the Petzl GriGri Plus. So that pretty much does it for me here today. If you guys have any questions about the belay device or whatever, leave a question in the comment section down below. And I also want to know what kind of belay device that you guys use, or if there's another one that you want us to review on the channel here. Leave another comment in the comment section. I love to hear from you guys, and it's nice to know what the community thinks, and if you guys have any video recommendations, we'd love to try and get to them. Other than that, if you liked the video, please leave a like in the like button right over there. And if you love the channel and like the content that we put out, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because that would make me happy. So please do. Anyways, I've been Trevor Long for Sawback Gear, and I look forward to seeing you outside.